Hello dear Vivekians, welcome to EVS class. This is your Paramjit ma'am. I hope for your good health and I wish your EVS classes through learning from home program will help you explore all the amazing things around you. I have noticed that you all are sincerely doing your study. So kids, today we shall continue chapter 2, houses. Let's have quick recap. We studied that how all animals and human beings need a shelter and also get to know how people build different types of houses depending on the climate of the place, the material available and according to their requirement. And today's topic is a clean house. The objective of the topic is to learn about different ways to keep a house clean. Before we start with the book, children, look at these both pictures carefully. Now, which room would you like to live in and why? Of course, most of you will select the neat room as we all like to stay in neat and clean environment as it is good and healthy for us too. Now, we will know more about the importance and ways to keep our houses clean. Let's read the section. Put date on page number 21. Our house is not just our home, but also home to many insects and tiny animals like lizards, ants, mosquitoes, houseflies, spiders, and rats. These are not our pets. Most of them live in dirty places and spread diseases. Hence, it is important that we keep our houses clean and keep these animals away. बच्चों, हमारा घर सिर्फ हमारा घर ही नहीं बल्कि कई कीड़ों का भी घर कह सकते हैं. कुछ इंसेक्ट्स जैसे छिपकली, चींटियाँ, मच्छर और छोटे जानवर चूहे भी हमारे घर में रहते हैं. ये हमारे पालतू जानवर नहीं हैं. इनमें कुछ ऐसे इंसेक्ट्स हैं जो गंदे स्थानों में रहते हैं और बीमारियां फैलाते हैं. इसीलिए यह बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम अपने घरों को साफ सुथरा रखें और इन्हें अपने से दूर रखें. All the family members work together to keep the house neat, clean and disease free. आप हमेशा अपनी मम्मी और घर के दूसरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स को देखते होंगे. हाउ दे कीप देयर थिंग्स एट प्रॉपर प्लेसेस एंड दे वर्क टुगेदर टू मेक द हाउस ब्यूटीफुल एंड डस्ट फ्री. एम आई राइट? The following are a few tips to keep our house neat and clean. First, sweep and mop the floor every day. Second, open all the doors and windows to let plenty of fresh air and sunlight enter the house. Students, we all know that proper ventilation keeps the air fresh inside the house also, and natural sunlight reduces the production of harmful bacteria and organisms that can grow in any house. Now, point 3. Throw waste material like fruit and vegetable peels in the green dustbin and paper, metal and plastic in the blue dustbin. हमें भी अपने घरों में 2 डस्टबिन्स यूज़ करने चाहिए. ब्लू एंड ग्रीन डस्टबिन्स का उपयोग 2 अलग अलग प्रकार के वेस्ट मटेरियल्स को अलग करने के लिए किया जाता है. ग्रीन डस्टबिन में गीले कचरे जबकि ब्लू डस्टबिन सूखे कचरे के लिए होता है, सो दैट इट विल हेल्प एट द टाइम ऑफ रिसाइकलिंग. नाउ फोर्थ वन. कीप योर टॉयज बैक इन द प्लेस आफ्टर प्लेइंग विद देम. You all love to play with toys, right? So make a routine to arrange and put toys in the basket after playing. Fifth one, use a wire mesh on doors and windows to keep away the mosquitoes and flies from entering the house. मच्छरों और मक्खियों को दूर रखने के लिए दरवाज़ों और खिड़कियों पर वायर मैश का यूज़ हम कर सकते हैं. The last one, keep your school bag, books and shoes at their proper places. Yes, dear ones, cleanliness is next to godliness. We should keep things at proper places. If we don't keep things properly, then at the time we need them, we don't get them. So make a routine to maintain things neatly and help your parents to create healthy environment around you. Now the home assignment for today. Let's try 4 and my turn 3. Read these instructions very carefully. Dear students, this is all for today. Meet you in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.